Welcome to Always Dolls. We're so glad you're here. Today we have a fun Halloween food craft showing you how to make marshmallow cake pops for your dolls. These cute novelty sweet treats are a great addition to our party food collection and are so easy to make. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! To simulate jumbo-sized marshmallows, we are using Anko brand air dry clay in these fun colour packs. We want to use the dark green, orange, purple and white clay. For a mould, take the lid from a small glue stick and cut off the top to open the cylinder. Roll your clay into a ball about the same height as the cap, then press the mould into the centre. Remove any excess clay from around the rim, then gently roll the tube between your palms to gradually release the marshmallow. Repeat this process to make more. Here we took plastic lollipop sticks bought at the grocery store and cut them down to be 5 centimeters in length. While your clay is still soft, insert the stick, twisting it gently so as not to distort the marshmallow shape. Now repeat for all your marshmallows. We made 12 in total. Leave them overnight for the clay to dry out and harden. Now let's move on to decorating. For our purple monster treat, we glued a small googly eye to the front. For horns, cut off the ends of a toothpick and push the pointed end into the clay. Next, roll a thin snake of yellow clay and wrap it around each horn. You may like to use a touch of liquid glue to ensure the clay stays connected to the toothpick. For more detail, squeeze tiny drops of purple puffy paint above the googly eye for eyelashes, and add more drops around the front for spikes. When you are happy with the look of your Halloween monster treat, set it aside for the paint to dry completely. Next, we will turn our orange cake pop into a pumpkin. Simply draw lines of orange puffy paint along the sides of the marshmallow, stopping at the top center. Aim to space your lines evenly apart. While the paint is still wet, insert the stem. Ours is cut from a scrap of green fun foam. Again, set aside until the puffy paint dries and hardens. For our ghost and Frankenstein treats, we need black and white puffy paint. On the green marshmallow, apply 2 tiny drops of white for the eyeball. Next, draw in the hairline with your black paint. Once the outline is set, flood the top and sides, then leave to dry. With a black marker, add the pupil, an iconic Frankenstein scar. For a quick ghost face, use black puffy paint to make almond-shaped eyes and a circle for the mouth. Excellent! Our assortment of Halloween-themed cake pops are complete. But if you'd like your doll to hold them, take clear plastic packaging, the thicker the better, and cut strips that are around 1 by 5 centimeters. Now bend each end at 1 centimeter for tabs. Using a small brad punch, make holes through the center of the tabs. You may need to widen the hole size with your punch depending on the thickness of your stick. Feed the stick through the holes, pushing the top tab flush with the base of the marshmallow. Allow the plastic to curve, giving you a handle that is the same length as your doll's hand. Trial fit and adjust the bottom tab if necessary. Awesome! Have fun making all kinds of novelty cake pops for your dolls. If you'd like to craft more Halloween food items, check out the link in the description box or click the card to our DIY playlist. Thanks again for joining me, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!